The VEVOR 60-gallon sandblasting cabinet offers a roomy interior and substantial media capacity, making it well-suited for cleaning larger parts and frequent projects in a home shop or garage. Its combination of a clear viewing window and integrated lighting gives you a bright, unobstructed view of the work area, which helps you blast accurately without constantly stopping to check progress. The cabinet is built from thick, cold-rolled steel with a protective coating, so it feels solid, resists corrosion, and stands up well to the abrasion and vibration of regular sandblasting use. Thoughtful sealing around doors and joints, along with included sealant material, keeps dust and grit from escaping, which makes the workspace noticeably cleaner and more comfortable to work in. A supplied blasting gun and multiple ceramic nozzles let you match the setup to different media types and surface finishes, from gentle glass beadwork to more aggressive rust and paint removal. Although assembly takes some time, the available installation guidance makes the process manageable. And once set up, the cabinet functions as a capable, long-term surface preparation station.